Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster MG. Today we got this MG ZS exclusive in stock for you. It's a 1 liter manual petrol engine. It's really nice. Comes with loads of features. To start off with, we got this LED automatic headlights. You have front fog. Comes with 360 camera on this car, being an exclusive. Just a perk. So the first camera is just under the MG badge down there. This video I'll be walking around the car and showing any wear and tear. So it's a nice dynamic red color. Got 17-inch alloy wheels, which is nice and lovely. It's diamond cut as well. It's not been curved or anything. Silver trim. We got roof railings on top as well. It does have panoramic roof with sunroof opening as well. Second camera is just under the wing mirror there. Really nice. Got silver door handles as well. Second alloy there. The rear we got this LED tail lamp. Rear parking sensors along with the reverse camera. I'll show you the boot space on this car. Rear big boot space. You do have different settings for this boot. You can just make it more deeper as well, as per your liking. Do have space for a spare wheel along with the tire repair kit. Some nettings on both sides. The seats are 60-40 split setting. They do fold down all the way, giving you more bigger boot and room. Going around to the right, we do have, that's the third alloy there, which is nice. Show you the interior before we get in on the front. So it's full leather interior. You do have a couple of USBs down there to charge your phones. All 4 electric windows as well. Got keyless entry along with a blind spot recognition system. The fourth alloy there. And I'll make myself in. I'll show you the miles on this car. So the driver gets electric seats for the front. Passenger seat is not adjustable, but it does come with front heated seats for you. So the car's done only 6,817 miles, which is nothing. Comes with sat nav as standard, couple of USBs there, 12-volt socket. It's lovely. It's 7-inch screen. That's your settings for panoramic roof and sunroof. I'll show you the 360 camera on this car. There we go, gives you a bird eye view as well, which is nice. DAB, FM, you do have your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, just have to plug it in there. You do have hill descent mode, your traction control, 360, auto on and off, and your manual handbrake, along with a couple of cup holders there, and more storage room. So yes, the car's here with us. Will live with minimum 9 months of MOT and service. Feel free to get in touch with our sales team if you want to know more about this car. Also, please do like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.